This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 1, Lesson 4. In this lesson, we're going to use our knowledge of the place value chart to help us convert metric measurement. The first question is asking us to convert 3 meters into centimeters. We'll use these numbers on our place value chart to make this conversion. I'm going to start by writing a 3 in the meter section of my place value chart. Since our target is centimeters, I'm going to write a decimal point in that section of the place value chart. You can see that the meter section is 2 place values to the left of the centimeter section. Our knowledge of the place value chart tells us then that meters are 100 times bigger than centimeters. I can show this by filling in my place value chart to the centimeter spot. So 3 meters is the same thing as 300 centimeters. And again, that is reinforced by the idea that meters are 2 place value spaces to the left of centimeters. Every space we move to the left, the numbers get 10 times bigger. So 3 meters is the same thing as 300 centimeters. In the next problem, we're converting 900 centimeters to meters. Again, I'll start by writing the first number in the place value chart. To write 900 centimeters in the chart, I know that I cannot do this. I cannot write 900 in the centimeter section. I can only put 1 digit in each box or in each place value. So I need to write my 900 so that it ends in the centimeter section. So I'll write my 900, again, knowing that the 1's digit needs to land in the centimeter section. Since I'm converting this to meters, I'm going to put my decimal point in the meter place value section. And this shows us that 900 centimeters is the same thing as 9 meters. In the next problem, we'll convert 5 kilometers to meters. I'll start by writing my 5 in the kilometer section, and I know that I'm going to convert it to meters. So I'll put my decimal point in my meters, and then I would just fill in the rest with zeros. And that tells me that 5 kilometers is the same thing as 5,000 meters. Now, the beauty of the metric system is we can use the same process, whether we're converting length, capacity, mass, etc. So here, I'm converting 81 liters to milliliters. I'll start by writing 81 in the place value chart. Again, I need to make sure that the 1 in the 1's place is in the liter section. So this shows 81 liters. I'm converting to milliliters. So I'll put my decimal point there so I know that that's my target. And then all I need to do is fill in the rest with zeros. And that tells us that 81 liters is the same thing as 81,000 milliliters. In problem B, I'm going to convert 537 milliliters to liters. So I'll write 537. So the 7 lands in the milliliter section, and I'm going to convert that to liters. So I put my decimal point in the liters section, just fill that in with a 0, and that tells me that 537 milliliters is the same thing as 537 thousandths of a liter. And we'll follow the same process for converting mass measurement. The first problem is asking us to convert 4 kilograms to grams. So I'll write my 4 in the kilogram section. I'll put my decimal point in the grams since I know that that's my target. Fill in the rest with zeros. So 4 kilograms is the same thing as 4,000 grams. And let's do one more. Here we have 80 grams that will convert to kilograms. So I'll write 80 in my place value chart. So my 0 is in my gram section. My target is kilograms, so that's where my decimal point goes. And I just fill in the rest with the zeros. That tells me that 80 grams is the same thing as 8/100ths of a gram or 80 thousandths of a gram. Either answer is correct. So you can see how that knowledge of the powers of 10 on the place value chart can help with measurement conversion.